They don't charge woman for attempted murder. This case dey very delicate. Person pikin, the woman get pikin wey be 7 years old, wey 13-year-old boy pikin come beat im 7-year-old pikin. Understand am o? The woman get 7 years old pikin, wey 13-year-old boy pikin come beat im 7-year-old pikin. So as e beat am now, na so the woman no fit take am o. She go revenge by herself. This woman beat this boy, beat this boy, beat this boy. And people, after she beat am, e be like say e no do am like that o. E go carry knife, stab am for behind im head, stab am. E still stab am for stomach. In fact, the matter just dey very, na why I tell una say e dey very delicate. And as I dey talk to una now, she dey police station. They dey try tackle this matter. Nigeria, my people, this woman, I no know whether to call her heartless abi to talk say she get heart, because person wey get heart, e get some things wey your heart no go even allow you do. No matter the offense, okay, e suppose get limit sha, but no, this one too much. She too go far. Knife even enter inside beating of a child. Knife, omo, I just dey imagine. I be say this woman now, e come mean say if her own pikin offend am, she go use knife. Because I dey believe in people, make people dey treat other people the way the one wey dey treat them. How you go beat another person pikin to that extent? Omo, my sister, na be say last na only you suffer for labor room. Because many of una go come outside now, come dey tell me, I cannot stand anybody beating my child. Abeg, na only she go labor. So because you go labor, e pay you. You wan come kill another person pikin. So they tell you say that person now, you no go labor. The person no feel any pain. You just go there, lick sweet, come out, pikin come out. You know how many times people dey beat other people children? This one too far. Even that your pikin now wey you wan kill person for, you know how many times this your pikin don go beat another person pikin wey small pass am? Make we think now, make we learn to dey reasonable sometimes. If na like this all parents dey behave, imagine you beat my pikin, I can't use knife on your pikin. Another person beat im pikin, you use knife on another person pikin. Imagine if we dey do this thing, I be say nobody go end up dey get pikin. Everybody go just dey without pikin because we go just dey use knife, dey butcher them. No, I no dey agree. This one, nothing wey una wan tell me. Nothing wey una wan tell me, I no dey agree with this one. 13 years old, you fit beat am by yourself. Beat am by yourself. Some people no like dey beat other people children, so they prefer to go report to the parents. Say, okay, oh, na this thing your pikin do. So the parents go come punish them by themselves. Some people dey like that. They know they touch another person. But even if at all, you suppose end up the touch person. At least report. If you see say you beat am, you know they change. Report am. If the boy get mama, he get papa. No take law into your hands. Imagine. No, now if this boy don't die now, wait till we story now go come dey talk. He's sorry. Think. Me, I no dey agree with this one. Oh, I no dey agree. And if I be this boy, this 13-year-old boy parent, if I be mama, oh, the wall of Jericho must fall down flat for the second time. Because me and you, the kind bugu where we go bugu ourselves. Seriously, this woman needs help. They need check this woman. They need check her out. They need check her. She need help because this one, if they come free am again, who knows the next thing we she go do? Who knows the next thing we she go do? If you fit treat person like that, human being. Oh boy, abeg go see. I don't bring this matter because I know say many of una now go to tell me, hey, Madam Aproko, her clothes, they don't tear up. Meaning say that the 13-year-old boy do am. The 13-year-old boy do this kind of thing. Una still dey sleep. E be like say una no say some people just dey possess naturally, some people just dey. No be everybody normal for this country o. Na why you need to see, learn to dey avoid trouble, learn to dey avoid trouble. Very very important, because the person wey you think say e dey normal, na that person even craze pass you. Hey, I no fit stay with this kind of person o. Imagine, I just dey imagine our neighbors. We imagine all of them for the same compound. Maybe you just mistakenly touch her thing. Hey, that day na, in fact, una go do wrestling, Mortal Kombat for that compound. No, she's too aggressive, and I know e no nice. Abeg, make we learn to dey control ourselves. Learn to dey control ourselves. You understand? E dey very very important. And learn to dey report to people, parents. If you no fit handle something, you see say you don dey go extra hand or extra mile, biko report. Very very important, so that you no go end up dey be say you don do something. Because see, my people, many times we dey right. Let's say an issue or something, we dey right, but the kind action wey we go come take, that right will come turn to wrong. You understand? Imagine say after this thing happen now, the boy beat him pikin, she go report. By now, we for don dey talk another matter, but this one she don overdo am. Now wetin I dey try make una understand. You understand? So now, as I dey talk to una, these people dey police station, and we never know whether they go jail am for 1 year or 2 years. We never know any outcome for now. Now why I bring this one, and as I bring am now, e dey hot. So now for still here, una go get the update whether they jail am, abi they ask am to pay money, the hospital, how far, everything na here una go get am. Now why una need subscribe, so that una go dey notified anytime when we drop all the videos. And if you never subscribe, na the same thing wey I talk, you go dey miss am. So share this video, you fit help person. We need everybody to hear this my sweet voice, you understand? And drop those comments there, I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, I don bring una another kasala o. Wahala for who no dey date one person. Na so they catch this girl for restaurant o. She dey, in fact, if they even tap that girl at that moment, she no go even wake up. She don go. Person sit down near her, and no be her boyfriend. Na so her boyfriend come enter the place, come see her with another bobo. Come see wahala. Na so the boy come approach them o. Hey, wahala. Before you know, my people, na so I just see person wey no wear wig cap again. He remove wig cap, he remove shoe, he remain small sef before even take her handbag, so that she go trek go house. And the thing wey come shock me pass, person wey sit down there with this girl, he japa. Also, abeg for una wey no know wetin dey happen, join me make we watch them.
Hello. Let me talk to her. She won't come here now. She don't want to. Please stop recording. Please stop recording.
Omo, abeg o. Forgive me say I dey laugh. The thing just too dey funny. I know say now go come insult me because sorry. Oh yeah, make I no laugh again. See, my people, in as much say I no dey support wetin the man do. But see, e dey sweet me somehow. Because women una no dey like the one place. E good for you, my sister. E sweet you. In fact, I wish say I give you lollipop now. I go lick am for you. E sweet you. How you go eat your cake and still get am again at the same time? When you don see am, na witchcraft. You dey date this one, you still go dey only you. You be mother Abraham. You wan carry everybody. E no dey possible because imagine. I just see this guy now wey come carry wig cap, carry shoe, carry this thing. Abeg in as much as say una go dey condemn am, me too I dey condemn am. Im action no too good. But my people, if na you, wetin you go do? You know say no be everybody get cool temper. Some people own. See, wetin you go take as aggression, na wetin another person go just look, smile. So everybody get your own way wey dey behave. Ladies, make your money. Una say no. Work for your money. No. Everything woman go dey ask man. Baby, I want wig cap. Na the wig cap you don remove now. I dey sure say even the shoe, na the man buy am. You no carry the handbag because no be him buy am. Any small thing una go want pad, bathing sponge, this one, toothbrush, everything una go dey wait make man buy am for una. Una no go experience embarrassment. I no dey support wetin she do, but at the same time, na lesson wey we go learn. Imagine say na this girl buy everything by herself. Highest na just okay, if fit confront them, then wait for her make she come house, or make dem meet, then they go settle matter. But because she don allow this guy overdo, the guy don come now, come carry all the things when use him sweat buy now. I be waiting. Abeg see, I know they talk say independent women, their boyfriend no fit give them something, but e get respect wey they go give you. In as much as no, make una check am. Check all those ladies wey dey do everything by themselves. I'm not to say they know they need help, but once in a while, you understand? Check them. Even if they cheat, e get how the guy he go bring the matter with respect, with you understand? But when man no say, you know, in fact you dey useless. No, wait. Abeg see, I'm not even wan start they bring many matter here. The one now wey even make me wan jump fly, na that one wey stand up. Omo, the guy run because person wey get mind remove wig cap. No, imagine wetin he go do to you. If he fit do this thing to person wey I no even know how many years they don dey together, but I dey sure say he love am. Imagine wetin he go do to that one. Chai, wahala wey bone straight. Charlie, but my brother, you wey run. It be like say your head no correct. Well, instead of you make you sit down, abi you be man. You be man now, sit down. Defend her. You say you love her. So now this time now you supposed to say you love. Now wow, your main boyfriend weary, your side hen or there. Una no go gree look for responsible people, reasonable people who na go date. You look for person wey go support you, sponsor you every corner. You don't face am now. See, I know they support the girl. You understand? I know they support am, but the embarrassment itself, no, e reach. Imagine for public. You know, say we ladies, we know they play with our wig cap. When we don't cover her like this, our face don't change. Now you just come outside, Chineke. Abeg, you don't carry wetin you dey look for as you dey cheat. No go make your money. Continue dey sit down there. Even after this one happen, I know say she go look for next victim. You go look for another one now where you go dey do the same thing. See, my sisters, sometimes forget laugh where they laugh. Men dey try. Men they go get their own personal problem. They go carry family problem. They go carry, in fact, some of them even get siblings where they go school. Many wahala. So upon all that problem, he still they take care of you. And you get mind go. Anyhow, as matter reach me self, they say, Madam Aproko, if you be say no be a relationship, maybe they just be friends. But since nobody explain anything, they get to sit down there. Nobody agree talk. It don't happen. It don't happen, my people. So this one now another discussion for another day, because as it is now, that one don't vex go. And I dey sure say now break up go come happen. My people, I beg, make we work hard. My fellow women, make we work hard to avoid all this kind, you understand, and stay faithful. If you don't decide say na this person you dey date, why you still dey jump go another place? Stay one place. You no know where your blessing go come. Na so una go dey jump. Abeg, that one sef no even be my consignment. My own now be say, any of una wey know say una know this guy number, the one wey carry that wig cap, make una give me. I need call that guy, understand? Because if I say that wig cap na Bond Street, and I never buy Bond Street, I need make I call her so that you understand me and I fit discuss wetin be una business. I just wan ask her something so that we go, you understand? Wahala for Bond Street to my brother. Abeg, if you dey watch this video, locate me. Oh, very very important. Me and you get serious discussion. But people, abeg, drop your comment for that comment section, oh, so that we go battle this thing. Who dey right, who not dey right. I know so many of una get plenty things wey una go talk. And make sure say una share this video so that that guy especially go hear me and go locate me, and make other people know wetin dey happen. And make sure say you subscribe. Very very important. Stay tuned for our next story.